Hey guys, Brian Foster here. Web Equipment, how you doing? We're doing a big engine blowout from Friday. We're just getting rid of all of our engine parts as much as we can. I have valve covers, oil pans, backing plates, engine covers, pulleys, exhaust manifolds. I have John Deere, I have Cummins parts, I have flywheels. This is like a 4039 John Deere pallet. Cranks, valve covers, oil pans, crank, camshafts. I have a John Deere head, came back from the machine shop. I have some side cam plates. I have lots of valve covers available for the Cummins. I have oil pans. We also have some piston sets that are new. I have some John Deere turbos with exhaust manifolds. We have injection pumps. We have fan blades available. We've got some air housings. We've got some air housing tubes over here. We also have some parts motors. The complete motors are $1,000. The engines that have a hole in the side of the block, I have two QSBs with holes in them. Those are $500 each. We have a cat motor. The cat motor is complete running engine, $6,500. Then we have the new style QSB engine with the single valve cover. A couple of those. We have a Perkins engine. The Perkins engine right here is $2,000. Then we have another pallet here with some injection pumps, starters, water pump, John Deere heads. Both the heads came back from the machine shop. They're ready to go install. So come see us on Friday. Like us on Facebook. Share the video. We'll see you on Friday.